Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my morning cleaning routine. But first I want to quickly tell you about an awesome deal that's going on. This video is in collaboration with Grove Collaborative. They are a website that sells a ton of all natural cleaning products, and right now if you are a new customer to Grove, you get all of these items for free with the link that I will put down in the description down below. This white metal cleaning caddy is so cute, and then you also get a 2-pack of microfiber cleaning cloths, and then the other items I will talk about later in the video. If you are already an existing customer, you still get a package of some walnut scrubbies. So now let's get into my morning cleaning routine. I always start my cleaning routine after I've gotten ready for the day, so I just start right there in my master bathroom. And I already mixed up one of those packets of cleaners that I told you that you can get for free, and I will show that clip of me mixing it up later on in the video. And then I'm going to use one of those microfiber cloths. Usually I don't have time to wipe off the bathroom sinks and the toilets every single day, so what I will do is I'll just wipe them off every other morning. After I was done wiping down the sink, I used the same microfiber cloth to wipe down the toilet, and then I threw the cloth into the washing machine. Obviously, I wasn't going to use it again after that. And then I will start cleaning up my bedroom. I start by making the bed. After that, I will pick up anything on the floor, clean off the dresser, and our bedroom was a mess on this day. This was a Monday when I filmed this, and we had a really busy weekend, you know, going to church, getting ready for church. We just threw clothes on the floor, and the bedroom is usually not this messy. Like on a typical morning throughout the week, usually all I have to do is make the bed and put away our pajamas, and that's pretty much it. It had just been a busy weekend, and so clothes just kind of got thrown everywhere. Next, I move on to cleaning up the kitchen, and I always get asked the question, how long does my cleaning routine take me? And on a typical day throughout the week, I mean, sometimes it can only take me an hour of nonstop cleaning to clean up the whole house if it's not that bad. But then some days, like this Monday when I filmed this video, it had been a busy weekend, like I said, and so the house was pretty messy. So this took me, it was probably about close to 3 hours to clean up the whole house because I was filming at the same time. That doesn't help any. Everything always takes double the time when you film it. And then also Owen wasn't sleeping well on this day, so between taking care of the kids and filming, and it just took me a lot longer to clean up the house. So it just honestly varies on how messy the house is to how long it will take me to clean it up. And then on Fridays, I usually try to vacuum the whole house. Sometimes I don't get every single room vacuumed, but I try to get as much vacuuming done as I can on Friday, and I also will mop the floor and wash our sheets. And then there's also laundry day in the week as well. But this everyday morning clean routine that I'm showing you is just a quick tidy up that I do every morning of the whole house. I just move room by room, tidying up until the whole house is clean. Establishing a morning cleaning routine can really help you to be able to maintain a clean house. If I try to just stay faithful to doing my morning cleaning routine every morning, then there isn't that much to clean every single day. One of the items that you get in the free bundle from Grove is this cleaning essentials set. This is a 3-pack of 1-ounce concentrate. These are toxin free. One is an all-purpose cleaner, there's a glass cleaner and tile cleaner. Right now I am using the all-purpose cleaner, and you just squeeze all of that into your spray bottle, fill it up with water and shake it. I love these glass spray bottles. They are so awesome. After I'm done cleaning up the kitchen, I will do a quick sweep of the wood floor just in the kitchen. Usually about every other day or every 2 days I will do the whole wood floor, because like back the hallway and stuff really doesn't get that dirty. It's usually just in the kitchen. And the boys were being so cute playing while I was cleaning that I had to get a video clip of them. Next, I moved on to cleaning the hall bathroom, and I used that second microfiber cloth to wipe down the sink and the toilet. Next, I tidied up Owen's room, and usually there isn't a whole lot to clean up in here, but like I said, it had been a busy weekend, and so he had quite a few clothes and stuff on his floor. And then Kyle helped me to tidy up his bedroom. His room actually wasn't that messy on this day. Some days it can look like a tornado hit his bedroom. And lastly, I tidied up our 2 living room areas. Hopefully you enjoy getting to see my morning cleaning routine, and hopefully it inspired you to start a morning cleaning routine if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out the links down below to get your free products from Grove Collaborative. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I just got sprayed with this all-purpose cleaner. Oh my